why day trading is not for everyone? Good question. Why day trading is not for everyone on this planet? Just like anything else, right? A guy sells sandwiches. He buys something for cheap and sells it for more money. A car dealer, he buys a car for less money and sells it for more money. A drug dealer buys his drugs for less money and sell it for a lot more money. So stocks are the same thing. You buy a stock for less money, you sell it for more money. Why is not for everyone? Why some people cannot deal with it? That's because the overwhelming majority of day traders lose money in the beginning. You go into it, you don't know what you're doing, you start making money, you commit more money into it, you lose it, you zero your account a few times, and you get out, and you never come back to it. You'll realize it's not for you, and you come. I know almost half of my friends did the same exact thing. They get in, they get out. Matter of fact, I think Mark Douglas in one of his shows, in one of his lectures, he says as he started working for one of the trading firms, the manager of the trading firm came to them day one and he started his brief to them with those words. He said, commodities trader lose all their money within 6 months, and they are considered terminal traders or like a terminal illness. And your job, he's telling them, your job is to make them comfortable until they expire and you move on to the next one. So yes, it does. A lot of people lose money in that. If you want to get rich quick, unfortunately in this day and age where everybody has a camera and everybody is trading, and you got 18 years old coming on Instagram promising to make you rich quick with whatever scamming method they pull money out of you. If you are chasing get rich quick, it is not going to happen for you. This requires charting and technical analysis, and technical trading requires effort, requires knowledge, requires skills, mental skills that you have to develop. I have seen a young kid on an ad in I think Facebook or something like that, and what he says is, I promise you, you will never lose money again. I promise you. You know that under FINRA and the SEC in New York Stock Exchange, even investor advisor have been working for 40 years in the business, is not allowed to promise a person that he's not going to lose money, because that is misleading. Nowadays you got 18 years old, 17 years old, 16 years old kids saying that I promise you you're not going to lose money, and they go there with pretty much no repercussion. An investor advisor says something like that, you can sue him and get your money back. You can take him to court. You can even put him in jail sometimes, but because it's a criminal act. But you got those guys, they pay a couple of dollars, they put an ad on Facebook or Instagram, and they pull your money out of you with false promises. Other people, like there's a guy that says he shows a very, very limited lifestyle. He goes, yeah, because I donate all of my money. I put all my money to charity. But somehow he's claiming he's trading $5 million account. So I'm not sure if he's got $5 million or he's donating all of this money. Other people, there's so much misleading information out there. Try not to fall for it. Try to be smart about it. Take an advisor from TikTok. Oh my God. Nowadays, we move from YouTube generation to Facebook generation to Instagram generation. Now we're TikTok generation. People put an investment advisor on TikTok. People taking their investment advisor. They taking their news. They taking whatever media and information they consume is coming from TikTok. And this is, I cannot tell you how misleading it is, but it is misleading, and be careful with that. So if you're the kind of guy that either not willing to commit the time to learn the trading skills, mental skills that is required for trading, I would say it's not for you. But if you are willing to put the time to risk certain amount of money, either to buy a simulator account or to put some small account and practice on it until you get it right, oh my God, I promise you, it will be the best thing you ever done in your life. 5 years from today's date, you will be thankful to yourself now for actually starting this, because the potential is just unlimited. The only limit to making yourself rich in this business is you and you alone, and what other problems you might have inside you that prevents you from doing that.
Thank you for watching. Share this with friends and family, and please subscribe.